Hello and welcome! In this How to Draw video, we are going to be drawing the main character from the Among Us video game. So it's a cool video game that we've been playing. It's lots of fun. So yeah, we hope you follow along and have lots of fun drawing. So before we start, we're going to need a few drawing materials. We're going to need something to draw with, like a marker.
Supplies?
Yep, supplies, some paper, and then something to draw with as well. Alright, you ready to get started?
Yes!
Cool, let's go. Alrighty, so we've got our paper. Now this is a super easy character to draw. So first of all, let's start drawing his helmet or his little visor. So it's a bit of a rectangular oval shape sort of thing, like this. Like that. Good job, and we'll colour that in later, so that's where that's like his helmet or his visor, that's where he looks out. And then let's draw his body. So we're going to start off with the top of his head. It's kind of a round shape, so just start from the side here, go round, and then down like that. Awesome. And then we'll continue this line down the bottom for his leg. So we'll continue down here, just about to there. Yeah, and then we'll do his feet, and we can curve the edges a little bit like this, and then we go up there like that. Yeah, and then got that little space between his legs, so it's a little line here. It's a bit of a curve that goes up like that. Yeah, good job. And then we draw his other leg, and his leg is a little bit further behind, so it's not going to be the same level as the bottom. It's just going to be sitting up a little bit higher here like this. So again, nice round curve like that. Awesome. And then we can just continue that line, go up, and it joins up with his visor. Okay, so that's his head and his body, and then he's got he's got like a little backpack, or I guess where it is.
Ocean thing?
Yeah, where his oxygen is, or whatever he keeps in there. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So you can see it's a super easy character. The next thing we're going to do now is to colour him. So we're going to fast forward this part, and we'll see you back very soon. Okay, and we're back. So we've finished colouring them in, and I think they look great. The good thing about what I like about the Among Us character is they come in all sorts of colour, any colour you like. So I've done mine in orange, because orange is my favourite colour, and you've done yours a rainbow. That looks like very, very colourful. That looks awesome. Wow, so there you go. So I hope you followed along and had lots of fun. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!